for a high area storage when you see as ad mamba by an idea. Baby, a dimura and Mura concert party. Guess me no a moody or moon atem, ever Ghana, any social media platform, ya so moody do a moatem, a hona yeko. Medimoko a creaping polo, any sandy camera, a horny and forehead you mean or more chile, social media, so I pay for me no what you do a moatem, near ready or mokai, Tianko, near Concord.
I'm sorry, Fela McCarthy has done nothing wrong to me. But since Rosemond Brown has brought her name into this, let me make this clearer to Rosemond Brown. If you are being polo, Fela McCarthy now don't want to no. Mr. Ono concert party for me in our class prefect. We are concert. Fela McCarthy, I bet you what two. Let me tell you this. 1, 2. People are tagging you to come and learn common sense, and you are refusing to learn common sense. This is just a warm-up. Rosemond Brown, this is just a warm-up. I am coming for you. Trust me. What they was with Jimmy and they won't die that. Was it Jimmy and they won't die that? I didn't sound to me, Mommy D. I didn't sound to me, Mommy D. Okay, say, you share what OKFM for program Nasi or Achimotamo. I will bomb me and I mean for you. No, I told you the reason why I wasn't minding you. I'm going to say, Jimmy, I'm a show. Okay, a share in Benyabaso. Sashieno, a Benyabaso, Jimmy for to sell.
Guys, please. More tagging me on unnecessary things, so no. You people should stop tagging me. Stupid issue, be more tagging me. What I say? That I'm going around talking about you. Who are you? I would never talk about someone that I'm the same soup with. Someone who don't have anything like me. I'll talk about someone better, like Kwame Despite, like Jackie Apia, like Maureen Shia, like Fela McCarthy. Yes, they are the people if I talk about benefits. Please, I'm thinking about myself. Oh. I'm thinking about myself. I'm thinking about my business, my honey business. That will fetch me money. I will never go around to talk about someone that will not benefit me anything. If you want your attention, focus on your attention. That is why I don't talk about people like you. That I'm going around talking about you. For what reason? Master, you people should stop tagging me unnecessarily. I'm thinking about myself. Come and eat my bottles. He pay you.